Do you ever look at a cat and think, what the hell am I supposed to do with this thing? Well, you're in luck. This video will tell you what you can do with a cat. Number 1, touch it. Number 2, pick it up. Number 3, pat its head. Number 4, talk to it. Do you think the free market should be regulated? Number 5, play with it. Number 6, watch it eat. Number 7, cover it with a blanket. Number 8, take its temperature. Well, that didn't work very well. Number 9, spray it. Number 10, boop it. And those were 10 things you can do with a cat.